Hello everyone, I'm Bharat Mata and in this video I'm going to show you how we can collaborate with other peoples so that we can work together in a single workbook. So now let's get started and first of all let's create a new Excel workbook. Now I have opened docs.google.com and here I will select Google Sheets. Now this is my Google Sheet. Let's create a blank sheet. So now I have created a basic layout and you can see my mail ID. This is royalbharat602 at the rate gmail.com. Now in this document I can edit, like I can add my name Bharat Mata, class is class 12 and subject is computer science. So this is all stuff I have added and now I want other people to add their stuff in this document only. So what we can do is we can go into the share option and we can share this document. So let me rename this teacher detail and here we can add the email IDs of other people so that they can access this document and edit in this. So here I have added two email IDs. First is Neelam1972 Mata and other is 602 Bharat Mata. So now this Excel sheet will be shared with these two people and I'm making them as editor. We can also change settings here. We can also set them as a viewer so that they can only view this sheet and they cannot be able to edit this sheet. We can also set them to a commentator and I'm giving them access as an editor. And we can write the message here. So this message will be sent to these peoples on their mail ID and we can also change some additional settings here. We can change the permission. Now I will uncheck this option so that these people will not be able to set different permissions or they will not be able to share my document to other. And this option is for the viewers and commentators so that they can see the option of download, print and copy. And I'm also unchecking this. Now I'm done with the settings. Now let's send this. Now these two people will get notification on their emails and now they will be able to edit this document here. So now let's check their email IDs. So this is the email ID of 602 Bharat Mata. You can see that mail has arrived here and you can see the mail royalbharat602 at the rate gmail.com has shared a spreadsheet. Now you are invited to edit the following spreadsheet and this is the message written here. Now we can edit this sheet here. So click on this and here the sheet is loaded. Now I can edit details here. Royal Bharat class 10 and teaching subject will be computer application. I can also add more data like I am adding Gaurav Kumar. Suppose he is taking 7th class and he is taking GK subject. So this is all I have done with my editing. Now let's check if this editing has been saved or not. So here I am in this email ID Royal Bharat 602. So you can see whatever I have changed here has been applied on this mail. Now let's add one more name. Let's add Kishore Kumar, class 10th and subject is English. Now you can see all the changes are added at the same time. So this is how multiple people can edit a same document and can work together in a single document. This is all about Google Spreadsheet. Thank you.